So today in this video, we are going to learn the points of kidney and lung yin deficiency. So the first point will be lung 1. The lung 1 is the alarm point of lung. We can see the collarbone here or clavicle bone here. If we divide this collarbone in three parts, 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. So middle and lateral 1/3. In between this is the junction. From this if we go one tune down, so this is the location of lung 1. This is the alarm point of lung meridian. So whenever this point is painful, it indicates the problem in the lung, as well as when we treat this point, rectifying the problem of lung. So we are using this point right now with the purpose of lung yin deficiency. This point available just below the collarbone, one tune below the collarbone, at the junction of lateral and middle 1/3. Now we are coming to the wrist region. From the yin-yang junction of the wrist, if we go 1.5 tune proximal, so this is the location of lung 7. We are doing the tonification on the lung 7, and on the wrist crease, on the thumb side or radial side, this is the location of lung 9. Same point we are inserting in the other hand. So on the junction of black and white skin, from the anatomical snub box, if we go 1.5 tune proximal, so this is the point LU7, and on the wrist crease, just on the thumb side or radial side, this is the lung 9. Coming to the leg region, so we can see this is the location of kidney 3 point, which is the extreme point of kidney meridian. So we are inserting the kidney 3 bilateral with the purpose of tonification. And from the medial malleolus, if we go one tune down, kidney 6 point. The kidney 6 point is very effective point for improving the yin. So we are inserting the needle bilateral on the kidney 6. Now from the medial malleolus, if we go 3 tune proximal on the border of tibia, this is the spleen 6 point, both the side. So we are doing the tonification on the spleen 6. From the navel region, if we go 3 tune down, this is the location of CV4, which is the very good point to improve the yin. And one last point, we will insert on the back side at the level of thoracic 3 vertebra, 3 tune bilateral. The UB42 is the Baksu point, are available on the level of thoracic 3 vertebra, bilateral. From the thoracic vertebra or from the spine, it is 3 tune away on the lateral side, on the both sides. So this is the Baksu point of lung. So in this way, we have inserted the needle on lung 179, kidney 3-6, spleen 6, CV4 and UB42. So this is the final protocol of kidney and lung yin deficiency. Thank you so much.